Now here again I have taken a double thread with a knot behind as I have taught you earlier. So taking this, we'll be starting from we'll just leave this first line and then from the second box. Here you just have to do the countings in the canvas. It's very easy. Canvas embroidery is very easy. Just have to do the counts. Now I'll be taking 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Taking 5 squares and going down. After doing this step, next step we'll be going diagonally. We'll be taking from down from this hole. See, this we are coming diagonally. We have to make a chevron shape. Then coming down again, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to drop one box down, just like a step. Coming down step, one step, one step. But our boxes will be same. The counts of the boxes will remain the same. In case your threads get entangled on the top side, just taking this needle, you can just adjust them like this. So now see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side. This is the fifth one. This is the main one. You can see a main in between, and then again 4 on this other side. So another 4 that we'll be doing. Now we'll be moving a step upwards. So now this is a box beside this. We'll not take this box. We'll take a step upward, and this box will be aligning to this box. It will be in same. You can just check it, cross check like this. And again here also a step up. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, our first chevron motif is ready. And how to secure this thread? Coming it behind, we'll be giving a small knot here, passing it through this. Don't pass it fully, just keep a loop and then passing it from this loop again. Again, same way I mentioned, I don't want my threads to hang out around outside. So I am passing it through the stitches that is being seen behind. Just passing it through. Don't pass it through the canvas. See, just pass through the stitches behind, and your thread will be secured, and your look also behind will be very neat. See, front and back almost similar, right? Now I'll be attaching the tassel to this. How to do it? Let me teach you. I have taken a needle thread and it is a single thread, and I have given a knot over here at the end. So I'll be passing through the last point, that is this red point. Last point, don't pull it so much, and I'll be giving it a running stitch. Just 4-5 stitches will be enough. Now after doing running stitch over here, we'll be taking our tassel and I'll be passing this needle through the top part like this. It's very easy, you just have to pass the needle. Pass this tassel and come back again from this hole, and again I'll be passing this tassel through this tassel just to give us secured. We'll be cutting off rest of the canvas, so you don't need to worry about it. After doing this, again I will be taking my needle to the same hole below and I'll be doing a running stitch. Again we'll be giving it a knot over here. You can just pass on through these threads. Don't pass on through the canvas. See, I'm passing on through the thread only. Give it a knot. Again, passing it through these so that my thread doesn't come out and give a untidy look. Here we go. Our tassel is attached. Now we will cut down the rest of the parts of the canvas. You can take a help from your elders. Cut it carefully. Don't cut the stitched part. So here my bookmark is ready. So I hope this was very interesting. So I'm waiting for your videos and your photos and your lovely creations. So submit them below.